Okay, simple addition calculator. So let's say we get num1. We're going to say num1 is equal to 5. And then we go num2 is equal to 10. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add those two numbers together. Result is equal to num1 plus num2. And maybe then we will output the result. And we'll give a couple of comments here as well. Add numbers together. And finally, output the result. So print num1 plus num2 equals result. Right, let's run it. And you can see in our output down there that we get 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So that's all great. Now, some of you aren't taking this down. That's fine. You're watching it for the moment. So now what I'm going to do is an question or exam could be, right, currently the numbers are hard-coded. What I want you to do is allow the user to enter in the numbers. Allow the user to enter in the numbers. So to do that, we will go input, please enter number 1. Or please enter the first number, whatever. Okay, please enter number 1. And similarly here, please enter number 2. I'm flying through this, you should know it, it's easy. Run it, please enter number 1, 5, or let me go 10 this time, and 12 or something. Right, 10 plus 12 is equal to, 10, 12. What the hell is going on there? Let's try that again. 3 and 2, we should get 5, and we get 32. Why is that wrong? Yeah, because at the moment, what I'm doing is, I'm using this, but num1, as it currently stands, is a string. By default, what is the input brought in as? It's brought in as a string. So what I need to do here is cast this to an integer. Cast it to an integer like so. And now, when I do it, the plus will take on a totally different form. It will now add the things together. So, actually, I'll go back out of there again and just clear that. So please enter number 1, 1, number 2, 7, we get 8, right, job.